Student. Next question is 9th one. Show that each of the relation are in the set A is equal to x belongs to z is integer. The integers are greater than 0, less than equal to 12. The integers are greater than equal to 0 and less than is equal to 12. The set of elements given by there are two parts. First one is R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is a multiple of 4. Already this type questions करे हम. 8th question. R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is a even. Same as this question. Next, second one is A comma B such that A equal to B is an equivalence relation. These two relations are equivalence relation or not? Check करना है. Next, one more question. Find the set of all elements. The set of all elements. These elements 0 to 12 related to 1 in each case. How one is how they are related to the given elements of set A. We'll see one by one. Solution. First part, set of elements A is equal to x greater than equal to 0, less than is equal to 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The relation is R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is a multiple of 4. This resultant answer is multiple of 4. R is equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay. This relation is equivalence or not? Well, relation is equivalence. The relation satisfies reflexive, symmetric and transitive is called equivalence relation. See first one, reflexive relation. In reflexive relation, there is only one element. A comma A form, only one element. Let A belongs to set A. This A is integer greater than equal to 0 or less than is equal to these elements. Okay. Implies modulus A minus A equal to 0. 0 is multiple of 4. Okay. Is a multiple of 4. 0 is a multiple of 4. Implies A comma A belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive relation. Second, symmetric. Symmetric relation. There are two elements. A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R is called symmetric relation. A comma B belongs to R already है. अगर A comma B relation के अंदर है, the condition is modulus A minus B is a multiple of 4. B comma A belongs to R रहे तो इसका कंडीशन क्या होता है? मॉडुलस B minus A is a multiple of 4 or not? तो प्रूफ करना है. Here there are two elements. Let A comma B belongs to set A. A comma B belongs to R. When A comma B belongs to R implies modulus A minus B is a multiple of 4. इसका उल्टा भी प्रूफ करना. implies taking minus a b minus a is a multiple of 4. मॉडुलस के अंदर नेगेटिव साइन नहीं रहता, देन implies मॉडुलस b minus a is a multiple of 4. Therefore अगर a कामा b है बोले तो मॉडुलस a minus b is a multiple of 4. यहाँ पर क्या मॉडुलस b minus a is a multiple of 4. ये क्या होता है ऑर्डर पे b कामा a belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric relation. Then last transitive. Transitive relation. In transitive relation, a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R implies a comma c belongs to R is called transitive relation. There are three elements. Let a comma b and c belongs to set of elements A. अगर a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R है बोले तो a क्या होता implies modulus a minus b is a multiple of 4 and modulus b minus c is a multiple of 4. Then here implies a minus b is multiple of 4 with a minus b is equal to plus or minus 4 lambda. This lambda take to RHS plus or minus and b minus c is equal to plus or minus multiple of 4 with your constant multiple of 4 on where lambda and mu are constant. Adding these two, a minus b plus b minus c is equal to plus or minus 4 lambda plus or minus 4 mu. Here minus b plus b get cancelled. A minus c is equal to plus or minus 4 plus or minus is common lambda plus mu. When this plus or minus take to LHS to get modulus a minus c is equal to 4 lambda plus mu. Modulus b minus a is multiple of 4. Again, modulus a minus c is multiple of 4. This one is constant a. Then implies a comma c belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive relation. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. इसमें सेकेंड पार्ट है फाइंड द सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू वन ईच अदर. When one is in equivalence class, the relation is a comma 1 such that modulus a minus 1 is a multiple of 4. Then one is how they are related to these elements. अगर a का वैल्यू 0 हो गए तो मॉडुलस 0 minus 1 is -1, modulus -1 is 1, 1 is not multiple of 4, then 1 is not 0 is not related to 1, then you take a is 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 is multiple of 4, therefore 1 is related to 1. You take a is 2, when a is 2, 2 minus 1 modulus 1, 1 is not multiple of 4, 3 modulus 3 minus 1 2, 2 is not multiple of 4, 4 modulus 4 minus 1, answer is modulus 3, 3 is not multiple of 4, 4 is not related to 1, 5 minus 1 4, 4 is multiple of 4, therefore 5 is related, 1 is related to 5. Here set of elements is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Modulus A0, 0 minus 1 is 1, 1 is not multiple of 4. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 is multiple of 4. Then 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 is a multiple of 4. Then 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, 8 is a multiple of 4, therefore 1 is related to 1, 5, 9. Multiple of 4 are answer. So substitute these elements 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1 up to 12. Only these 3 elements are related to 1. Then comes to second question. Second question is R is equal to A comma B such that A equal to B. Okay. क्या ये रिलेशन इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन है क्या नहीं वो चेक करना. फर्स्ट रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन. Here are only one element. A belongs to set A. Implies A equal to A implies A comma A belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive relation. Second, symmetric relation. In symmetric relation, there are two elements. Let A comma B belongs to A. अगर A comma B है बोले तो A equal to B, B comma A है बोले तो B equal to A, mutually equal. A comma B belongs to R implies A equal to B implies B equal to A implies B comma A belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric relation. Then third, transitive relation. Transitive relation. three elements. Let A, B and C belongs to set A. A comma B belongs to A and B comma C belongs to A. Relation then A comma B belongs to R equal to A equal to B. A comma B belongs to A comma B belongs to relation R. This one is A equal to implies A equal to B and B equal to C. When A equal to B, B equal to A, automatically A is equal to C. Implies A equal to C implies A comma C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive relation. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Then here also, second part, find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. In this form, equivalence class is 1 is equal to A comma 1 such that A is equal to 1. अगर A का वैल्यू 0 रहे तो 0 is not equal to 1. अगर A is equal to 1 हो गए तो 1 is equal to 1. अगर A is equal to 2, 2 is not equal to 1. Therefore, 1 is related to itself only. 1 is related to itself